In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off taxes on Squarespace. Navigating the regulatory and technical aspects of an online business can be challenging, especially when it comes down to taxes. Perhaps you're required to update your tax settings due to a change in your business model, or maybe you're testing out your store in a development environment and need to disable taxes temporarily. Whatever your reasons, Squarespace makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening up your favorite web browser and heading over to the Squarespace website. Upon arrival, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Please go ahead and click on that. Squarespace offers a variety of login methods, but for simplicity and security, we recommend continuing with Google. This option streamlines the process, especially if you already have your Google account connected to Squarespace. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account that is associated with your Squarespace website to ensure a seamless login process. Once you're logged in, Squarespace will greet you with its user-friendly dashboard. From here, you need to navigate to your website. Look for the site selector if you have multiple sites. It allows you to choose the specific website you wish to manage tax settings for. After selecting your website, it's time to dive into the settings. The settings button can be found within the dashboard or sidebar, depending on your screen's layout. Squarespace's intuitive design ensures that you won't miss it. Within the settings menu, you'll see various options for managing your site. Your focus should be on the selling section. Clicking on this will direct you to the area where all your e-commerce settings are configured, including taxes. Select taxes from the array of options presented. This will take you to the page where current tax rates and rules are listed. You might find one or several tax rates, depending on how you've set up your store previously. To remove a tax rate, click on the tax name you wish to delete. Squarespace will then display the details of this tax rate, where you will find the Remove button. This critical step ensures that the specific tax rate will no longer apply to your products or services. Upon clicking Remove, you might be asked to confirm your action. This double-check mechanism is Squarespace's way of ensuring that you don't accidentally delete important information. Go ahead and click Remove again to confirm your intention. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off taxes for your Squarespace site. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to proceed with caution when making changes to your site's financial settings. Now, a couple of additional tips to bear in mind. First, if you're disabling taxes for testing purposes, remember to reactivate them before going live. Also, tax regulations can change, so it's wise to periodically review your settings to ensure compliance with the law. Thank you for following along with this guide. Managing your Squarespace site's financial settings doesn't have to be daunting, and I hope this video has helped to clarify how to adjust taxes on your site. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and guides on making the most of your Squarespace website.